Next topic, installation of budgetary control. In the last video we already discussed budgetary control, budgeting and budgetary control difference and the objective of budgetary control. Now we will discuss installation of the budgetary control. कैसे install किया जाता है? First of all, creation of budgetary center. First of all, you will create a budget center. ठीक है, this is the first step. Budget center means those section or department of concern which can be defined separately from view of budgetary control. ठीक है, as a budgetary control हमें अलग अलग section divide कर दिए. Next one is arrangement of adequate accounting records. ठीक है, accounting system records should be designed in that way so the information required from the preparation of budget and the performance may be available easily and orderly. Next one is the journal instructions about budget technique. Next step, all person in organization, जितने भी person होते हैं organization में who are linked with the collection of information for budget execute should be given necessary education instruction about the budget technique. It means उनको budget technique की proper knowledge होनी चाहिए. Preparation of organization chart. Next में we will make a budget organization chart. It must be defined functional responsibility of each member and the chart help to know the responsibility position in organization hierarchy. An organization chart of large size may be divided into the various department like the sales department, purchase department, production department, research and development, finance and the personal department. And then we will again divide these departments in small sections. ठीक है, next one is the next one, establish of a budget committee. In the next step we will make a budget committee. इसमें क्या होगा, द कमेटी में क्या होगा, जो मैनेजर होंगे आपके या फिर सीईओ होंगे एज अ चेयरमैन, मैनेजर ऑफ वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट, बजट एक ऑफिसर अपॉइंट किया जाएगा एंड द बजट ऑफिसर इज इंटरेस्टेड विद एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन टास्क ऑफ बजट. इट मीन्स जो भी मेन काम होंगे वो इंटरेस्ट करेगा जिसको देने हैं और सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज अ सीईओ या मैनेजर डिपार्टमेंट को दी जाएगी. उसके नेक्स्ट वन इज द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बजट मैनुअल. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, वी विल मेक बजट मैनुअल. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कोई मशीनरी आती है उसका मैनुअल होता है, वैसे ही बजट मैनुअल प्रिपेयर किया जाता है जो बजट मैनुअल डिफाइन करता है ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड पॉलिसीज ऑफ बजट प्लान, फॉर्मेट, रिपोर्टिंग, शेड्यूलिंग, ड्यूटी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, टाइम शेड्यूल and the budget approval and modification, budget implementation, date for submitting budget estimate, achievement. Each and everything should be defined in the budget manual. Next one is the determination of the budget period. The length of the period when budget be drawn should be defined. No standard period can be fixed for all type of budget, but it depends on the objective of budget and the nature of the business and the production and the marketing department and marketing condition. Period maybe and generally जो period होता है वो 1 year होता है, ठीक है, but some budget may be divided into monthly, quarterly and the half yearly.